Okay, I'm going to show you how to archive 2019-2020 Google Classroom and then open up a new one. So don't click on your Google Classroom here. Instead, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the little three dots and then archive. And it says, are you sure? Blah, blah, blah. Yes, archive. So now that class is archived. If you wanted to get your class back, you'd go click on the three lines, go all the way down to the very bottom. It says archived classes. And you could find the one that I've been doing this for a while. Let's see, where is Daniel Seha? It's right here. So you go ahead and click on it. And then right here it says restore. Yes, we want to restore it. So anything that you archive, don't worry, it's still there. If you wanted to copy this class for 2020-21, go ahead, don't open. Click on the three dots, and there's the archive, and then there's copy. So go ahead and push copy before you archive it. And then you could go ahead and right here, change this to Mrs. Sandy, and then copy. And then I'll show you what that looks like when we bring it up. It takes a minute. Come on. Okay, so this is the one I just copied from last year. I changed my name. So I'm going to click on the three dots and then archive this one. Archive. So that one's gone, and now we have our new one. So now we can click on it, double click to open. And I'm going to show you what the assignments look like. So on Classwork, everything is here from last year, but do you see how it's light gray? So they're here. You don't have to go find them again, and it's not going to show up on your students' classroom until you post it. And the other good thing I noticed about doing Google Classroom online when we're 100% is a lot of the teachers are doing, instead of story time, math, art, all these different categories, instead of that, they're doing week 1, week 2, week 3. And what we're finding is that's easier for parents to follow. So you could very easily just say, okay, last week I wasn't here, or week 1, let's go back. And then I'm going to show you another thing that you could show your parents. So you know the add the parents, right, under people. So you could add the parents. And then under this 3 lines, calendar. And if the kids do that, then they'll see everything that's due on for the week, or you could change it to the month. So it's very good. So play around with that a little bit. And then if your class from last year is still here, all you have to do is click on one button, the top one, and then you could delete them all, remove them.